Hello, my superstars. I'm super excited to have you here again. You're welcome to lesson 17. Let's continue in the fun of addition of a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digit have a sum greater than 10 with drawing. Taking a look at the application problem, Rose saw 14 monkeys at the zoo. She saw 5 fewer monkeys than foxes. How many foxes did Rose see? Now, to properly understand the questions, we are asked the number of foxes she saw. But we are told she saw 14 monkeys and the monkeys are 5 fewer than the foxes. So since the monkeys are 5 fewer than the foxes, it means the foxes are more than the monkeys. So to get the number of foxes, we have to add 14 to 5 to get the number of foxes she saw. Now, as you can see from the solution below, we have that the foxes are 14 plus 5. To know the number of foxes, we'll add 5 to 14 and we'll have 19. Therefore, Rose saw 19 foxes. I'm sure we understood this, kids. Let's go ahead to the next slide to see what we have there. Let's do some analogous addition. We'll have 6 plus 3. 6 ones and 3 ones. I'm sure you know what the answer is. That's 9. Let's check out another. 76 plus 3. That is 7 10, 6 ones plus 3 ones. Remember, we just added 6 and 3 and we got 9. So 76 plus 3 will give us 79. Let's check out the other. 73 plus 6, we're also having 79. Now let's do some few working in our lesson 17 problem set. The instruction says solve using quick tens and ones drawing. Remember to line up your tens and ones and rewrite the number sentence vertically. I'm sure you know how to go about this, kids. Let's have some fun solving. Okay, as you can see, kids, we have solved the first one. The first one I just completed solving it, and I'm going to do the other for us. The first one, 39 plus 52. Remember, 39 is 3 tens and 9 ones. So we draw 3 strokes for the 3 tens and small 9 circles. Then for 52, we draw 5 strokes and 2 circles. Counting all the circles, we have 11. So we put down 1. 11 is 1 tens and 1 one. So you put down the 1 on the right side and you take 1 stroke to the other side. Then you circle 10, showing that we have taken 1 10 to the left side. Counting all together the number of strokes, we have 9. Then we'll write it also vertically on this other side. Now let's quickly solve the letter B. Watch me out as I solve letter B. We have 48 plus 42. So I'm going to draw 4 strokes for 48 for 4 tens. 48 is 4 tens and 8 ones. Remember that? So let's go ahead and draw 4 strokes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll have 42. I'm going to draw 4 strokes and 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 ones. 1, 2. So right about now, I'm going to add the ones. Let's count the ones together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, 10 is just 1 10 and 0 1. So I'm going to put the 0 on the one side and take the 1 10, add to the strokes. Now we're going to count the strokes all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer here is going to be 90. And I'm going to circle the 10 ones because all together the ones give us 10 and we have taken the 110 to the left side. Then I'm going to do it vertically here. I have 48 plus 42. I'll put my addition sign on the left, then rule it. Just the same answer we'll have on the left side, we're going to have here. When you add, you count your 8 and your 2, you're going to get 10. You put down the 0, and you take 1 to the left side, add 1 to the 10 side. As you can see, I did above. You add the 1 to the 4, and to the other 4, altogether we'll have 9. So our answer is 90. I'm sure you understood this, kid. Now let's move on to the next slide and solve some more problems. Okay, here we have 47 plus 42 in letter C. Okay, let's solve for 47. We have 4 tens and 7 ones. So I'm going to draw 4 strokes and 7 ones. Then for 42, I will draw 4 strokes also and 2 small circles. Now, having done that, let's count the number of ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Altogether, our ones are 9. Since it's not up to 10, we are not adding any stroke to the left side. So let's count the total number of strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 89. Then we're going to do the same thing, lining up our numbers vertically, 47 and 42. I'm sure you are following me, kids. Now we're going to add 7 plus 2 give us 9, and 4 plus 4 give us 8. We'll have same answer. Let's quickly do letter D. Okay, for letter D we have 47 plus 47. For 47 we have 4 tens and 7 ones. The same thing on the other side, 4 tens and 7 ones. So I'm going to draw 4 strokes and 7 small circles on the both adding. Let's do that now. Now let's count the ones together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The ones all together are 14. So I'm going to write 4 ones and take the 1 10 to the other side. I'm going to add 1 to the strokes. So we're going to count the strokes together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 94. Then I'm going to line up my numbers vertically. 47, 47, and I put up my addition sign. When you count 7 and 7 ones and 7 ones, we're having 14 ones, which is 1 10 and 4 ones. You put the 4 ones on the right side, add the 1 10 to the 10 side. So we are going to add 1 to 4 and to the other 4. Altogether we have 9. Our answer is 94. I'm sure you are enjoying these, kids. It's a very simple, pretty simple. It's a very simple work. It's pretty simple. Now we won't forget to circle the 10 ones in the quick tens and ones. You circle 10 ones here. Remember, showing that we are taking 10, we've carried 10 to the other side. We're circling 10 ones and we're left with 4 ones outside the circle, showing that we have 4 as our answer in the place for the ones. Okay, quickly we are going to do one more. Okay, kids, do you still want us to go ahead and solve more? Should I solve more for you, or you want to do it yourself? Of course, I know you want to go ahead and solve it yourself. You're having fun solving it. The work is lovely and simple, so I will leave you to do the rest yourself, kids. Go ahead and have fun solving. I will see you in my next lesson. We just have some few pages left. Go ahead and complete your problem set and get the exit ticket done. See you in my next lesson. I love you. Bye.